Welcome back to the Anthem YouTube channel, your go-to destination for all things HVAC and plumbing. Today we've got a real treat for you as we dive into the world of affordable plumbing. Ever had a leaky faucet or a stubborn clog that just won't budge? We've all been there, right? Well, today we're going to explore how you can save money on plumbing services without sacrificing quality. So grab a notepad and get ready to learn the secrets of affordable plumbing. Let's get started. Affordable plumbing services. What does that even mean? It's not just about cheap fixes, it's about getting value for your hard-earned money. It's about quality workmanship at reasonable prices. At Anthem, we're all about providing excellent service without breaking the bank. Because nobody wants their dollars going down the drain. We believe everyone deserves access to top-notch yet reasonably priced plumbing services. And the best part? We stand by our work, offering warranties on all our services, giving you that extra peace of mind. Plumbing issues don't wait for business hours. They can strike anytime, even on holidays. That's where emergency plumbers come to the rescue. Imagine having a plumbing disaster on New Year's Eve, not a great way to start the year. That's why a 24/7 emergency plumber is your knight in shining armor. They're there for you 365 days a year, ensuring you're covered no matter when your plumbing decides to act up. But how do you find the right plumbing company that's both affordable and reliable? Here are some tips. Check their reputation. Read those online reviews and see what people are saying about their experiences. Certifications and experience matter too. At Anthem, we take pride in our team of expert plumbers who are both highly trained and experienced. In conclusion, affordable plumbing isn't a mystery. It's about finding value, being proactive, and choosing the right experts for the job. So next time you face a plumbing problem, remember these tips. And if you need top-notch plumbing services that won't break the bank, remember to reach out to us at Anthem. We're just a phone call away. For the Inland Empire, call 951-389-5151. And for the Coachella Valley, it's 760-895-2621. We're here to help you with all your plumbing needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more valuable tips and insights from Anthem. Until next time, stay plumbing savvy.